Hey guys, it's Billy the HP Auto. Today, we just got the shop all cleaned up. Tomorrow we're having an event with the local Carolinas Region Porsche Club, and just wanted to give you guys a little tour of what's in the shop and look around our facility and let you see what all we have in here. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and ask. Got a 911 Lifkin, a CIS rebuild right here. Really nice car. Then we've got this 40th 996 we just lowered on Öhlins coilovers and installed spacers on. We're about to go a little bit wider with a spacer. Killer ride though. Öhlins really made a really good system for this car. Phenomenal ride. And this is kind of parts area where we just keep all of our parts waiting on projects. Just a little sink area, whiteboard, battery station, board to let all the technicians know what's going on. And then this is my area. Although I am not a full-time technician anymore, I still like tinkering with cars. Obviously, it's the reason why I'm in this industry. And what we got here is the Otis. This is a factory Lamborghini scan tool. Got the PIWIS tester 2 here. Leonardo Texa. Don't think that's powered up. And then we got our Autel here. Really great scan tool. Then I've got the Snap-on Epic Series box. And then back here, probably gonna be a little dark, but this is my roll cart. We got kind of tucked away because we're doing a open house tomorrow. Bolts bin, cabinet for miscellaneous stuff, parts area with fluids and stuff like that. More fluids and more fluids here. Trains, AC machines, some miscellaneous supplies and tools we keep back here. And some of the other technicians' toolbox workbenches. We like to have these tables here to keep all the parts off the ground. It's a big pet peeve. This is a beautiful 993 turbo that we are doing a 2-wheel drive conversion on, and service and some other things. Super beautiful car. And some of the parts and pieces from this project. Then another workstation of ours, another technician's toolbox. And see some of the banners and stuff. Then this is a 986 Boxster. We just did a full fast speed system on. Got the cat back there, race setters there. You can't see the intake, but we did an intake, and it is a 9.7 throttle, cable throttle. So we ported the throttle body, upgraded plenum, tune, stuff like that. Amazing performance gains on the 2.5 liter cable engine. This is one of the vehicles we got for sale, really unique color. It is a champagne 996 with active sport seats and suede Alcantara interior. One of the coolest combinations I've ever seen on one of these. Just another table. Some of the parts we utilized on this build, a collection flywheel assembly. This is a 07 Gallardo we got for sale in inventory. Manual car, really rare optioned car. This is a 72 911 2.7 oversized bore. Doing the full engine rebuild on right now. The case and all the other rotating assemblies at the machine shop right now, getting all the machine work done. Some of the parts from the actual build though. This is our shop Gallardo. We are going to be doing a manual transmission conversion on this sometime soon, and also a twin turbo at some point unless something else changes. And we also have a GRZ coilover conversion we're about to perform pretty soon. which it does have coolers from the factory, but the JRZ system is just a much better system. This is a 2005 F430 Spider that may possibly come on the market pretty soon. 2010 458 Italian that we have for sale in inventory. Great car for the value. This is a race car. We've got on the rack doing a corner balance, checking the weight on the car, just checking everything over. We do have a in-ground Hunter alignment rack. Phenomenal unit. Makes life very easy. And that's our Bosch tire balancer and tire mounting machine. These are some of the Cayman race cars we have built. Full JRZ suspension, Brembo big brake kits, full engine bolt-ons, full cage, all that stuff. This is the shop unit. 2007 911 turbo, basically a GT2 conversion, two-wheel drive, gutted, H-ray wheels, full bolt-ons, custom aero kit. Really fun car for a heavy car. It really performs phenomenally. And this is just kind of our little detail station, detail supplies and what have you. This is a really good client of ours car. It's a pretty rare optioned C4S. Got the black lobster claw style wheels, active sport seats in the car, color matched, red stitching as well. This is a 996 cab we got for sale. Great car for the money. Can't beat the value of a 996, especially with all the IMS work already done on it, all the service. It's gonna make somebody very happy. And this is a 64 356. We've done a engine overhaul on and some other things to get this car straightened out. Phenomenal car. Really fun car. And that's pretty much it for our shop tour. Hope you guys enjoyed a little view around the shop, and please subscribe to our channel, ask questions if you have any, and if you have any special requests, please let us know. We really want to give some value back to the YouTube community and just kind of really open the portal to exposing all the secrets and information about Porsche, Ferraris, and Lamborghinis, and hopefully add some value to you guys on y'all's car tech information. Thanks for watching.